Today I'll be showing you how to make my favorite easy salted caramel sauce, perfect for fall. For this easy salted caramel sauce, you will need 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a medium pot or saucepan, combine your sugar and your water. Heat this over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until it reaches a slow simmer stage and starts bubbling. It's very important not to stir this mixture. Once it reaches that simmering stage, we can put a lid on it. I like to cover it with a lid to prevent any crystals. The condensation will run down the sides of the pot. If you do notice any crystals, just dip a pastry brush in some water and run it along the edge of the pot. It should take about 9 to 12 minutes for your caramel to reach this medium amber color. So now we want to make sure that we remove it from the heat so it stops cooking, and we'll add in our room temperature butter. We're going to need to whisk this until it is well combined, and be very careful with this mixture because it will splatter and you don't want to burn yourself. Once that's come together, we can add our heavy cream. Since the cream is really cold, the caramel is going to try to seize up a little bit, but don't worry, that's perfectly fine. We just need to move it back onto the burner over medium heat, whisking for about 30 seconds, and it'll all come together. Now we can add in our vanilla extract and give that a stir, as well as our sea salt. Now this is going to be very hot, so we're going to have to give it about 2 hours to come down to room temperature. Transfer your salted caramel into an airtight glass jar. This caramel is amazing on apple pie, on coffee cake, ice cream. There's just so many options. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me next week. As always, thanks so much for watching.